The Supreme Court's decision by 6-3 upholding photo ID in Texas has far-reaching implications. In my book, Power Grab, I warn about Obama's dangerous plan for a one-party nation, and photo ID can be the most important step in stopping that. Here's why. What's going on now in the United States is that we have 12 million people living here illegally. And at the same time, the Justice Department has told the registrar of voters in every single county and district in the country that if someone hasn't voted and hasn't returned a postcard saying, "I'm still here," you cannot delete him from the voting rolls for 4 years. And the result is you have about 5 million dead people and more than 25 million people who've moved still on the voting rolls at their old address, but they're not here anymore. And what's going on is that ACORN and a lot of the liberal groups are using those registrations to vote those people, even though they're not there or they've died. They get a hold of somebody, a partisan, maybe an illegal immigrant, bring them over and say, "I'd like you to meet this guy. He's registered to vote, you can see." And the clerk can't ask for a photo ID because either the state doesn't have a photo ID law or some of the lower courts have struck it down prior to the Supreme Court decision. And they vote. And recently there was a study in North Carolina that found that 35,000 people who voted in North Carolina also had a ballot cast in their name, same first name, same last name, same date of birth, in another state in the 2012 election. And you can assume this is going on all over the place. And it can be stopped by photo ID. Now, on top of everything, as we talk about it in the book Power Grab, Obama wants to eliminate the Electoral College. So he wants the popular vote, thusly gamed, to decide who the next president's going to be. And he's going about it not by the legal way of amending the Constitution with a 2/3 vote of Congress and 3/4 of the states. He's going about it by getting the big Democratic states to pass laws saying that their electors will not vote necessarily for the winner of their state's popular vote, but will vote for the winner of the national popular vote. And when this law is passed by enough states to have 271 electoral votes, a majority, then it will take effect. It has already been ratified by 11 states, New York, Illinois, California included, with 165 electoral votes. So it's more than half the way there to it getting accomplished. And this is the essence of his plan to make the presidency permanently Democratic. Don't deport the illegal immigrants. Don't delete names of people who've died or moved from the voter rolls in swing states. Don't require photo ID. Vote those people when illegally, and then use the popular vote to decide who the president is. Thank God for the Supreme Court ruling upholding photo ID. And particularly important is the vote of Justice Breyer, who was appointed by President Clinton, who broke with the liberals and voted with the conservatives to uphold this law. And get a copy of my book, Power Grab, Obama's Dangerous Plan for a One-Party Nation, to read all of the rest of the things he's doing to create a one-party nation and to understand what we need to do to stop this. Thanks for watching.